Hello Juniors, Bonjour. Let's do your notes for the 30th of October, Saturday. Alright, let's start out with Pare grammar. Alright. So peoples, we saw what peoples was. So one person, two people. Peoples is, or peoples means different people of the world. Thais, Malays, Japanese, Germans, they're all peoples. You can call them people as well. However, if you are referring to them differently as different groups, then you call them peoples. Alright, let's go on to the same case with money. So money is usually uncountable. You cannot count money. Usually one money, two money, right? You can't do that. But sometimes you have to break up the total money into different categories, or into different parts, or into different payments, into different accounts. Then you can use it as monies. So this is usually the spelling of monies, and sometimes it's written this way as well. Right, so usually this is money, usually. So some money, a little money, or a lot of money, lots of money, loads of money, whatever. However, when you break it down, so accounting, when you do accounts, or you break up this sum into categories, into different categories, then you can call it money. So example number one, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, they can all be called monies, different monies of the world. And example two, January money, February money, March money. So these can also be called as, or they can be called monies, right? So that's how you do that. All right, let's go on to part B, writing. Forming sentences from the assortment of words, from the words that are given. So number one is, I feel hopeful that we find suitable house very soon. All right, so I feel hopeful that we will find a suitable house very soon, or I feel hopeful that we shall find a suitable house very soon. So what happened there? So there was the we will was missing, so we added will. Right, so this one was quite easy. Number one was very easy. All right, let's look at number two. She not play piano well as her sister. So there are a couple of words that are missing here. We shall now add them. So she does not play the piano, not just piano. Piano is a noun, common and singular noun. Do not forget, it needs an article always, all the time. Right, so she does not play the piano as well as her sister. As well as her sister. All right, moving on to number three. I wish could give you all the expensive things and life. So that's the choices we have right over there. So what sentence shall we make? I wish that I could, or I wish I could give you all the expensive things in life. All right, in life. Of life can also be correct. So in life is much better. And number four and number five. So you hear Maria since you leave school. Okay, just focus on this name. That is Maria, not Maria. Maria. All right, so you heard Maria since you leave school, and do not forget the question mark over there. All the other sentences, all the other choices had full stops or periods, whatever you want to call them. This one has a question mark, hence we have to form a question, not a statement, not an answer, not a sentence, a question. Have you heard from Maria? Have you heard from her since you left school? Since you left school. What is the time you left school? You're leaving school. You're leaving school. That is the time. Hence since. Not from, not for, not anything else. Have you heard from Maria since you left school? And number five. Short video today because these sentences were a bit perplexing to most of you. All right, number five, the people live next door to us have dinner parties. Right, so the first sentence you gave me was the people live next door to us keep having Dinner parties. Alright, so that was good, but something was missing. What was missing? The people who live, or the people that live next door to us. The people who live next door to us, the people that live next door to us, both are perfectly correct. Keep having, not keep have, keep having. You have to correct the sentences as well. Dinner parties, so they keep throwing dinner parties, they keep calling their friends and having dinner parties. Maybe they call us as well. If they call us, it's good. Alright, that's all for today's notes. Very short notes. Please write your notes down. Watch the other batches videos and watch the other videos that I'm putting up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, adios.